Hey everyone, Camille here. So today I want to share with you how we will set up our background for Reels. This is my office space. I know it's a little bit cluttered, but I don't want to shoot in my office space today. And so as you can see, I'm just sharing with you how everything is set up. So I have different backgrounds to use. This may not be your situation. So one of my favorite places that I like to shoot if I'm not inside my office space is right inside my room. And I'm going to share with you how I set it up. In my room, it's all about being creative, right? I always have a computer inside my room whenever I don't feel like being inside my office. So this is my room. As you can see, this is my dresser. I don't want to show too much, but I just want to show you what the background looks like. So as you can see, this is a ring light that I am using, and I'm gonna put a link where you can purchase one. I always like to have everything focus on this side, so then I'm just showing you how the back ends look. So as you can see, my phone is structured as portrait as opposed to the other way, which is the landscape. I want to keep it like this because for one, I just want you to see what this looks like. I just want a little bit of flowers in the way. I don't want the dresser to be visible. I just want it exactly this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and now show you what this looks like in the background. So you know, you don't have to overwhelm yourself. It doesn't have to be all perfect, right? And so let's say if I have my products here, which is my hat. Sorry, these things happen, just so you know. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and click record. And so let's say I have my product here that I want to start to market. Now at the time, I'm gonna go ahead and use my chair as the chair to sit and feel and look comfortable. Now your setting may not be the same as mine, but this is what I have as my setting, and that's because I strictly want to keep it portrait way because I'm creating reels. So at the time of me recording this, like I said, I'm pregnant, so I'm not in the best condition, but if you do see me from time to time where I market, this is what my background look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and look right into this camera because I want to talk about my products. So let's say, for example, my products, the name of it is the Access to Go brand. So my first thing is I'm gonna say, hi, this is the Access to Go brand. I would love for you to explore our beautiful collection, handbags, hat, and dresses. We would love for you to shop with us today. So go ahead and look through our page. We have dresses, we have hats, we have beautiful handbags, glasses, and we want to make sure that you will be comfortable in these beautiful hats. So go ahead and check us out today, and make sure you stop by also to like and share if you would like to shop with us today. Something to that nature. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can always practice. I know this is just an onset, so it's like I don't have my words together, but just so you know how the background looks, this is what I'm saying. So it's all about making sure your presentation looks good. You can always try on your products. If you're selling kids clothes, you can always, you know, take it out of the pack. You can show it to them, but make sure you're looking into the camera. We're just talking because, you know, I'm recording this at the time. So you can always take out the dress or take out the top or whatever outfit it is, and you can talk about it. Talk about the benefit, talk about the material of it, the size, right? Same thing with this handbag, right? If it was like a shoes, you talk about the size of the shoes, what it is made of, you know, just giving you idea. But make sure presentation is everything. So you want to make sure your background looks good. I always say with a nice, beautiful flowers, it looks good. All right, so this is the end of this lesson on shooting reels, setting up your background, and going out there and show the world what you have to offer. When it comes down to your e-commerce online business, visibility is everything, and video sells a lot. So I strongly want to encourage you on that. All right, let's move into the next lesson.